Want to play Mortal Kombat in your phone but don't know how to download it? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to download Mortal Kombat in iOS or Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Play Store. If you have iOS device, open App Store. Tap on the search button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar and type Mortal Kombat. Then tap on Mortal Kombat. Here you have the option to install. Click on the install button. I'm fast forwarding this section as it might take some time. Now Mortal Kombat has been installed in your phone. You can start to play by tapping on the play button. And that's how you can download Mortal Kombat on iOS or Android device. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.